Yes, I can light the whole universe. I am different, I am purpose, I am brilliant. Yes, I feel it.
Hey y'all. Okay, so we know that I might have a slight love of makeup brushes. And when it comes to makeup brushes, even though, you know, you have a lot of them, I have a lot of them, there are certain ones that I absolutely love and feel the need to have more of. Some of them I already have dupes of, and some of them are on my list to get dupes of. So I wanted to share the brushes that are worthy of being duped. The duped list. The brush dupe list. Okay, yeah, that's what we're going. This is the brush dupe list. So if you would like to see the brushes that I just have to have extras of, don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's talk about, why was I so loud just then? I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's just talk about it. So, you know, let's be honest. Sister don't like to have to wash brushes all the time. So yeah, I have a lot of brushes, but there are some brushes that they're my favorites. They are my favorites. And I would like to have more of them so that I can use them more often, you know, because after a minute, you're going to have to like break down and wash them. And plus, it's just really good, I think, to have the ones that are your favorites have extras. That way, if you're going someplace, you don't have to worry about, you know, because those are the brushes that you grab for first. The grab for first list. So here, let me show you some of the brushes. I'm going to start with face brushes, and then I'm going to go to eyes. So with face brushes, I don't know why I don't have one of this, but this is the e.l.f. powder brush. This baby is like $4. But let me tell you why I don't have an extra one, because I keep forgetting to get them when it's 50% off on sale, and I won't buy them. Even though, what is wrong with me? They're only $4. But anyway, I want a couple more of these. These are perfect. You know, if you all know anything, this is in my brush favorites list. But this is, gots to have it, gots to have it. It's really good to buff in your pressed powders or buff in a loose one when you really want to get it buffed in. Nice. This is one of my favorite brushes. Now this brush, I just started really using, and I was like, oh, I need some more of these, and found out I already had a dupe. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush right here. This is a really good foundation brush to buff in a good foundation. It's dense enough, but not super dense. So it's going to give you a very, you know, kind of more airbrushy feeling to it. Well, I was like, oh, I need another one of these. And then I was looking at my brushes and found out I already had one. Don't ask me why I already had one, but I already had one. I think I got these at, oh, I think I know why. Because I think I found these at Dollar Tree. So I bought two because they were $1 a piece. Now, this one right here, this is my M439 Morphe. This is one of the best foundation brushes around. It has a rounded head. It's not a flat top kabuki, but baby, it works wonders putting in, you know, blending in your foundation to your skin. So I definitely am looking to get another one of these. Now, this is a brand new brush to my group, and I found out that I love it. Now, there are some brushes that I would like to get dupes for, but because I bought them in sets, I can't dupe them because, you know, you can't buy the whole, I ain't buying the whole set for like 1 or 2 brushes. But anyway, I found this brush. This is the Stilazzi Dome Fluff S506. This right here is perfect for highlighters. And when I mean highlighters, I mean like the ones where they're a little densely packed. So you need a nice brush that's going to get them out. And let me tell you, I use this today. Do you see that? Okay, first off, y'all see that. Anyway, this picks up those type of highlighters really nicely because I have like fan brushes. I have more fluffy highlighting brushes. But this right here is good when you need to really, you know, get some of that highlighter out and get it on. This is a perfect brush for that. And because of that, I need a few more of these. So those are the face brushes that I just absolutely want to get some dupes for. I probably need to get, oh, I'm sorry. What am I saying? Hold on. Let me get the last one. Okay, I'm real silly. This is the Coastal Scents This is the this is the S27. This is their powder brush, but I use this for blush. I love it for blush. It has enough give, and as you can see, it's used because you can see my blush on there. It's a blush I got on today anyway. But anyway, it's kind of wide, but it also is fluffy, so it can diffuse the blush better, because I like my blush to be on, but I like it to be not like a streak of color. I like it to blend in really well with my bronzer. I like it all to be kind of seamless, and this is what I use to get that. So this is the last face brush. I do need a couple more of those when they go on sale, because Coastal Scents goes on sale too. Now let's start talking about eye brushes. The first eye brush we have to talk about is the Sigma E35 right here. This is the tapered blending. I love this brush. I love this brush. I love this brush. And don't worry, I already have my dupes of it, because I already have 4 of them, because they were on sale. So I bought 3 of them. I want them getting for like $6 a piece. So I bought like, yeah, I bought 3 more. So I have those. Now this was the first brush that I really started duping, and this is the e.l.f. Detail Crease brush. Now they've made them a little different than my old ones. They've done something to them. So I gotta play with this one, because this is a newer one. Because my old ones I love, because they're really tiny, but they're kind of fluffy, and they get right in that crease for that detail work. Love them. And so I have about 2 or 3 of those. Now, let me see what other ones. Okay, so let me just go through these. Let me grab them all. Hold on. Now, when it comes to my putting on my wing and doing eyeliners and stuff, I use the Stilazzi Mini Angle Brush. Now, this brush, because I love gel eyeliners. I know people like, you know, the pens and the liquids, but honestly, I'm best with a good gel eyeliner. Put it on, and this is the tiniest angle brush that I have, and it's so thin and it's so tiny, and it helps me to do a much cleaner, nicer wing than I was doing before. I was making lots of mistakes, and it was just messy. Hold on. So with those, I already got like, I think I got 3 of them now, because they were on sale, and I picked up maybe about 2 for me. Yeah, I have 3. I don't know what I did, but I know I put 1 to give away, because remember we talked about that I was going to start getting together to do my favorite brush giveaway. So stay tuned. I'm working on that one. Okay, so that's the Stilazzi brush. Then this, actually, I don't talk about it that much. I got it when I was doing the Morphe Me. This is the E23. This is a blender, and this is a bigger, thicker blender than the E35. The E35 kind of took the place of this, but I still love this, especially when I'm trying to like blow it out and put a lot, you know, do a larger space of like for transition and thing. This is a great brush. I do need to get another one of those. Okay, and then let's talk. And then also, I just got this one. This is the BH Cosmetics. This is the number 16. Oh, this is almost a dupe for my E35. This is very similar. They have very similar looks to them. Let me get you an E35, but it's a little bit bigger. You know, this is more blown out than my E35. So this is a really good blown out blending brush if you're trying to like diffuse color and everything. I just got this, and I do want more of them. So that one's there. And then now this is the very surprising one. I forget the name of this one, but this is the V13. This is the double-ended brush. I'll put the name and description in the box. And I know I bought it by accident, but I used it and I love it. First off, let's talk about this. This right here is beautiful. It's really good to like really get into your crease when you're doing large, like if I'm doing like gonna do sort of like a half cut crease or something, and I'm trying to get a nice, you know, and I'm just blowing it out and adding it in, the color in. This is so nice. It just kind of lays correctly in my crease area. Now this right here was surprising. This is a angle brush, right? This is so nice under the eye. I use it under the eye. I was like, oh snap, this is really nice. I want another one. I actually have it sitting in a cart right now. Yeah. Now, this right here is the e.l.f. Shadow Brush. These are $1. This is one of the white ones. This is perfect for packing on color on your lid. I have a bunch of these. I need to get some more because I seem to misplace a bunch. But these are so good to have because, you know, you do, especially when you're putting on shimmer shades and stuff and you want to do different colors and everything, it's good to have a bunch of these. I'm going to get some more because they're $1 a piece. So when they go on sale on e.l.f., I'm going to get them at 50 cents a piece. I'm just saying. All right, and then this is the other e.l.f. dollar brush I use, which is the eye crease brush right here. This I use right here. Did this get stuck in my hair? Let me tell y'all where I use this. This is the only thing I use this for. I tap it, and then when I'm trying to like do my outer corner, I tap into the outer corner and I'll bring it out just a little into the crease, but morely to tap in the color in my outer corner so that I can pack that color to deepen that section. And then I will use a smaller crease brush to like bring it into my crease just a little bit to give you that gradient and that blend that you're looking for. So those are the ones I use there. Now, with that being said, I like this, even though it has a little shorter handle than I like, but this is the Crown SS012 right here, and this is a deluxe crease, and so I use that a lot of times after I've packed that on to blend it out and you know, bring it out together. Now, you guys to have some pencil brushes and some serious bullet crease brushes. So let me show you the ones I like. Where's the one whoa, I missed one. I put one of these got moved away. Hold on. Okay, stuff is moving around. Okay, so you need to have, for the crease, when you're doing really serious detail work, there's a certain types of brushes you want. Now, this is the Deluxe Precision Crease by Crown brush. This is the SS020. Now, you see this, how it is? It's almost like a pencil brush, but it's thicker. So if you want to do a serious line in your crease, this is really good for somebody who has a smaller eye shape than mine, because it will get you deep into your crease, but it's so precise that it's not going to blow it out too much like some of the crease brushes will. So this will get right in there. If you're trying to make that line, it's going to be perfect for that. If you need one that's a little bit wider, this is the Coastal Scents CS09. This is their crease brush, and once again, it's similar shape, but this is just a fatter one, and so I use that when I'm doing the outer. Like, I also use this for the outer one. If I'm not using the e.l.f. one, I'll use that here and then start blowing it into my crease. So I'll, you know, deepen the outer corner and just bring it up just a little bit. That's what I tend to use that one for. This is another shader brush. This is the Coastal Scent CS52 right here. And this is, I'm sorry, this is the medium. I think this is the medium shader. And I like to have different size shader brushes. I have a bunch of them in different sizes, depending on what I'm doing. Like, this is a good one if I'm going to be doing 2 different colors. So I can like really pinpoint and work with a color right in there. And that'll give me that. Now, pencil brushes. I have a lot of pencil brushes. When I mean pencil brushes, I mean like this. You know, you want them to do that, your inner corner, and a lot of times to get under your eyes to, you know, do your, to smoke out your under eye line. So you want to invest in some really good pencil brushes. This is one that I really love. I need to get a couple more. And like I said, this is a Coastal Scents S53. This is their standard pencil brush. Really good quality. Stiff enough that it stays in place and it really gets under here, and it's really good, just big enough to get under in here into your inner corner. So this is it. So now that is my dupe list. These are the ones that I need to get extras of. If I don't have them, I still need some more. And then there's a few more that I have a list of brushes that I'm working on. I need to put my brush wish list together too. So anyway, I'm out of here with this. If you like the, you know, so how about telling me what brushes are on your dupe list? What brushes do you have extras of? Because you cannot live with just one of those brushes. And if you don't have them already, what brushes are you trying to dupe? Because once again, you need more of them in your collection. All right, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. See you later.